I look like an old woman. Like my hair is like gray, you know. Hi everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to be using the Aztec Healing Clay Mask, which I know you've probably seen a lot of people using because it is a great mask and I use it on my skin all the time. But today I'm going to be trying it out on my hair, and I've never used it on my hair before, so first time for that. And whenever I use this mask, I use it with apple cider vinegar because it can be really clarifying for the skin and also for your hair. So the thing about this mask is that it can be very drying if you don't use it correctly on your skin. It can dry your skin out if you use it too often. That's why it recommends you use it once a week because it can be really drying. So for my hair, I don't want my hair to be like super dry, so I'm going to use a pre-poo before, and I'm going to be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. And I have used this before, and I really love this product because it works so good on my hair. It's so good as a pre-shampoo, and it's very moisturizing. So I'm going to apply this before and then apply the mask. And also in the mask mixture, I'm going to have some olive oil in the mixture just for extra moisturizing. So yeah, if you would like to see this video, then please keep watching. Okay, so I have mixed the mask up and it looks like a lot, but that's just because this is a small bowl. But so I'm gonna take this out, detangle it, apply this, and I'm gonna do this off camera because this is not what the video is about. It's about the mask, it's not about this. But I'm gonna show y'all what this is like in my hair because this is great. But anyways, it smells good too. Anyways, I'm gonna apply this to my hair right now, then come back. Okay, so the pre-poo has been applied, as you can see. So I have this mask here, it's been sitting. It looks a little less bubbly now. So there's that. I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections, which are then probably gonna get split up into smaller sections, and then going to apply it, and we'll speed through and then come back when it's all in there and then tell y'all what's next. Okay, so one thing I'm gonna say as I'm applying the clay mask is that I split my hair into 4 sections, and then I split those 4 sections into 2 sections. But even with that, this is still too big of a section for this mask because it's so thick. So it looks like I've applied it on there pretty well. But if I were to split this apart, you could see that there's no product up here. So you really want to make sure that you really get it in there to get the best results possible. And don't be afraid to put that on your roots. Don't be afraid, because it's supposed to be cleansing. It's a cleansing mask. So just really want to make sure that you get it all in there. Okay, so this is the entire half of my head with the clay in there. So there's so much curl definition. I love to see it. By using the pre-poo beforehand and really detangling my hair before you apply the clay mask helps a lot, because once you apply the mask, I wouldn't even recommend detangling your hair with it in because it's just so hard, and I feel like you'll be prone to a lot more breakage than if you just detangle before and then kind of try to work it into your hair. I'm gonna go ahead and do this entire side off camera, then come back and tell y'all what's next. Okay, so I have completely applied the clay mask into my hair. My hair is feeling very heavy, very much like a like a wig kind of, but my curls are very, very defined with this mask in it. When I wash it out, it's gonna be so pretty, and I'm so excited. I'm going to put the shower cap over my head, let it sit for maybe like 20 minutes, and then rinse it out, and then come back. I am back from the shower, and I've rinsed it all out of my hair, and the curl definition is just so incredibly nice. You can really see it under here, and my hair just feels so incredibly soft. And it was so easy to rinse out my hair. I just let the water run straight through my hair, and I applied the Aussie deep conditioner that I always use, and it was just so easy to work the products into my hair. Now, I was actually gonna do a twist out on this hair, but I've decided to do a wash and go because my curls are they're just so pretty. I just have to. But anyways, that's it for this video. My thoughts on the Aztec Healing Clay Mask for the hair. I love it. I'm definitely going to do it more often because it really just rejuvenates my curls, makes my hair so much softer, so much easier to work with, and I love it so much, and I'm mad that I haven't done it before. But anyways, I'm going to insert some pictures here of my wash and go, how it looked after I did this mask on my hair. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a comment down below and like this video. Subscribe to my Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future, and go check out my other uploads because they need some love too. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.